Let's see. For a period in my life, I was not doing mechanical things like putting together a tool cabinet. Hats off to Husky, for you don't have to take out a drawer, you don't have to try to fish nuts in there. Oh my God, that was easy with 2 people. Yeah, awesome. Oh, they all have the embossed Husky on. Marauders, welcome back to the channel. I don't usually do this, but I bought a tool that I've been hemming and hawing over buying for 2 years. And it's a tool, it's a mobile workbench from Husky. Bought it at Home Depot. It's a 52-inch 9-drawer mobile workbench. And what I like about it is it has a top that's 25 inches wide. And I just have too much stuff with my tools. This is my tools that I have now, my tool cabinets, which are Craftsman. And I just don't have a workspace. This space is just not big enough in my garage, and you can see my cameras are on it and lights, cordless lights. And I really almost need a workbench just for my camera equipment. So I thought, even though it's a mess now, I thought I would put this 52-inch cabinet, may come out to about here, in this corner, or flip it and put it along this wall. So I'll try to show you what it's like to assemble this. I'm a little worried because it looks like this was opened once before, and it's got some shipping rash, and hopefully it doesn't have any damage on it. You can see the box is frayed. So let's open it up and see what type of shape this is in. You know, from appearances, it doesn't look like this was open. This looks intact. We'll keep going here, guys. Give you a little closer shot. This was heavy. Heavy. I got help from someone at Home Depot with my son to load it. Guy was great, strong guy. I just, with my knee, I'm limited at how much I can lift. Oh wow, I might need help with this. So that's just the top. I don't see any instructions in this. And I don't think there was instructions online how to assemble it. Nope. Whoa! You know, it doesn't appear to be damaged at all. It actually looks beautiful. It'd be nice to see some instructions. Wow. Here are the drawer liners. I like that Husky gives you all the drawer liners pre-cut that you need. I think that's such a plus, and they're nice drawer liners. Oh, I see some stuff in this drawer. Looks like parts. I probably have to tilt this back to put the wheels on it. And the instructions are in the bottom. Let me see. Voila! Man, you know what? And I didn't. It's nice those drawers open all the way. That's awesome. It's like they give you a strap to use for display purposes only. Maybe so it doesn't fall on anyone. It looks like for the bottom wheels, I'm gonna have to pull out a drawer, the bottom 2 drawers, I think. Let's open up and take a look at the wheels. You know what? It looks like the wheels, I don't have to take out a drawer for the wheels. There's no nuts in the bag, So they must have nut inserts in the bottom chassis, which is great. Although sometimes the alignment isn't the best on those, so that's cool. I don't know if that's the best quality wheel. I don't know if I feel any bearings in those. Okay, so let's start with a handle. You know, guys, I don't think I have to remove any drawers because it appears those are threaded. So I don't know if I'm doing this in any order. They have, to hold on the cord, they have these little L brackets, nicely finished, and these little tiny Phillips screws. So I have my 18-volt Milwaukee driver, and we'll see. First one's going on really easy. Boy, I'm impressed with that. You know, I thought the threads would be screwed up from the painting, or if this is powder coated, and they're not. And that went in very nicely. And by the way, I am definitely going to need, worried this cord might be too short with where I'm going to put it. Could be. Wow, I like that. I'm going to use the same Milwaukee driver. The handle has 10mm bolts to put that on. Oh man, guys, I am loving life. Woohoo! Handle's on. We're going to tip it. Not lift it, tip it. Okay. The foam will catch it. It's not going to touch your fingers. Okay? Yep. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm going to need your help to tip it then. Okay. I just don't, I'm not going to whine. I don't have the strength in my knees to do that anymore. And this cabinet is heavy. I should have looked for the shipping weight on it. So these are 13mm bolts. I'm going to put the caster on the handle side. Again, the threads are so clean, and it's nice you don't have to take, hats off to Husky, where you don't have to take out a drawer, you don't have to try to fish nuts in there. You know, they gave you threaded. The frame is threaded, it's really nice. You can see me, again, I'm using my 1/4" driver impact, and I have a 3/8 swivel. I have a 3/8 extension. Looks like an 8" extension. A swivel on it, and a 13mm socket. See how this works. Works. Try to center it up on the, you see how they're slotted? Try to center the wheel up on the middle slot. Let's try to do a back wheel that doesn't swivel and see if I can get it on. How well that goes on. Now the greatest torque is going to be on the bottom ones when we're lifting this up. Let's see if I can get in here with this driver. I don't have an easy answer, and they actually put a Phillips head on this to make it easier for you. Boy, I'm very impressed with the quality. Husky does give you a little plated wrench. I'll show you at the end of the video. So I got a 13-inch ratcheting wrench, and I'm not going to show you the bottom wheels. I don't think you need to see that. You know, maybe I will show you the bottom. Should be complete assembly. Oh, You'll see in another video of mine, we're expecting, Western New York is expecting, they're saying anywhere from 3 feet now to, well, 36 inches. The more mechanic work you do, for a period in my life, I was not doing mechanical things like putting together a tool cabinet or fixing something, changing oil on a piece of machinery. I just was at a point in my life where I wasn't doing that anymore for a year, longer than a year, I would say. And I would probably, about the time I started off-road riding, I started working with my hands again. So in that period of time, maybe 2 years, where I wasn't working with hand tools, I dropped a nut. In that period of time where I wasn't working with hand tools, the motor skills in my hand really, when I started back up with the tools, my motor skills weren't the best, even using things like a wrench or a ratchet. It was really kind of strange. I can't explain it other than, you know, I had to get those motor skills back and get that muscle memory back in my hands. And I'm a big advocate for off-road riding because I think, especially among young people, you'll learn mechanical skills, even the ability to change your oil or mount an accessory. And I think that's important. So many engineers, I'll see an engineer who designs very expensive pieces of equipment or buildings and can't use a hand tool, doesn't know how to change an oil on a machine. And typically those engineers might design something that looks beautiful, but when you go to repair it, it's not the easiest to repair. Oh my God, that was easy with 2 people. Yeah. Awesome, thank you, Peter. Yeah. Let's look at this drawer. They come almost all the way out. Maybe it's short, 2 inches as it comes out. And I really like, they give you the drawer liners. And I'm hoping that that's all the drawer liners are included in that. This is something they give you a little wrench. Which, you know what, for someone that doesn't have tools, that buys a workbench like this, probably end up with better tools than I have. You know, so that's nice, you got a wrench. You know, I was looking for the keys and I thought, oh, did they put the keys, forget the keys for the toolbox, and they tethered them. They tethered the keys inside the toolbox, which is nice. Awesome, very impressed. Okay, let's finish this up. I didn't promise a complete cleanup though. Wow, I hate cutting drawer liners in the toolbox. Wow, look at this embossed. Oh, this is my first Husky toolbox. I don't know if you can see that, the embossed Husky on it. Nice. As Dirt Boss would say, nicer. Oh, they all have the embossed Husky on it. Wow, that's rich. Wow. I'm all over that. Now, wouldn't women laugh at us over something stupid like that. By the way, this is my first Husky toolbox, or workbench it's probably called. And I really, the design was, I thought, superior to other brands that I usually buy. By the way, the embossing is only on one side, the Husky logo. And the quality of the mat is really nice. Nine drawers, remember, 52 inches long. I think it's 37¼ inches high. Well, they are soft clothes. Let me show you what this looks like. Can you make that out? Husky, the logo. Really nice. And of course the main drawer has Husky, the logo on it. I love it. Really happy. I think we'll finish this video up tomorrow morning when it's in place. Let's try putting it in straight first. Please don't bang it up.
Oh, how you want it?
Let's see how that is.
No, because that's. Oh.
I don't know. I kind of want it's out of the way, but you know what I'm worried about? I'm gonna plonk my head.
I don't like it like that. I think you should just put it.
You don't like it like that?
No.
I don't like it like that either.
Yeah.
Okay, can you pull it out? So let's try. Let's try like that.
It's gonna get big. It's I like that. That looks nice. I like that.
Let's see. Wow, that kind of does look nice. I gotta watch that I don't hit my head. Plonk.
Well, what are you gonna do on that?
You know, I don't have room for my tools. I'm out of room for my tools.
Why don't you just build a workshop in the back? What's that bar for? What are you gonna...
Huh?
What's that bar for?
This?
No. Yeah.
I don't like the cord hanging out.
You don't want to push it all the way against the wall? I guess then your head will hit that.
Huh? What do you think? What type of bulb does that fan take?